the Presto flip-side Belgian waffle maker. To bake extra thick Belgian-style waffles using a restaurant-style rotating design, preheat until the red light goes out. Pour a cup of batter into the waffle grid and set the digital timer for 4 minutes. Close the cover and rotate 180 degrees to spread the batter evenly across the grids. Make delicious waffles from packaged mixes or from scratch using the included recipes for classic, whole grain, pecan, and more. When the baking time is complete, open the cover and you're ready to enjoy a delicious waffle. Non-stick grids assure the waffle removes easily. The big 7-inch waffle divides into 4 easy-to-cut sections. The brushed stainless steel exterior provides both beauty and durability, and the non-stick grids simply wipe clean. Storage is easy too. Just rotate to the vertical position and flip the storage latch to lock upright for space-saving convenience. Fabulous waffles in a fabulous storage solution. The flip-side Belgian waffle maker from Presto.